I'm so excited. Hey guys, and welcome to this video. I am in my robe right now because I am freezing. Today is Monday. Right now, I'm currently packing for a trip that I'm so excited about. I'm not gonna tell you what the trip is until probably the next video. So you're gonna have to wait for that unless you follow me on Instagram. But anyways, so yes, I am packing for a trip right now. I have a couple of outfits laid out. Where we're going is like kind of cold, so I have to pack some stuff, like cold stuff, and also like regular outfits so that I don't be hot and just be wearing long sleeves the whole time. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just like I'm just putting out outfits, and then I'm gonna see what actually I'm gonna wear. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this little like packing vlog, getting ready vlog for this trip. Yeah, this dress right here, I guess you can count that as a hint. I don't know, can you see what it is? Can you tell? I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna continue packing. I have a whole list of what I have to get done, what I have to pack. This is also finals week for me, so I have until the 8th, which is Thursday, which is the day we leave. I have until that day to finish all my assignments. So I have 15 more. Some I can do, you know, on the plane. I have them all written out and I have them divided by days so I can stay on track of everything. That's what I'm currently doing right now. I'll update maybe tomorrow, because I'm gonna just be doing school for the rest of the night. Also, this is kind of like not really stressful, but it's just like I don't know what to bring, you know, and I want to be prepared. So I'm kind of like, I don't know what to bring, but then it's weird. Packing's weird. It's just weird. But anyways, okay. Hey guys, Mimi here. But you already know that. Anyways, I have a hair mask in my hair right now. I have to go home and wash it and do it so it can be done for our trip. I'm so excited. We leave tomorrow. I have all my outfits laid out. I have to wash a little bit of clothes, but I have all of my outfits out. I don't know what this vlog is gonna be. It's just gonna be like a random like vlog, like just I don't know, it's gonna be a random vlog, but I still hope you enjoy it. I really want to edit this by the time we leave so that I don't have to edit while we are on our trip, because I have not had a break from editing since like July. So yeah, it would be cool to have a break. The vlog for tomorrow, for Thursday, is already good to go. I just have to post it, like it just has to like post tomorrow, and then that's it. So I got ahead of that. I'm so happy that I was able to get that out of the way. I've gotten, I think, 3 finals done, so I have 1 more. Like my classes had like 2 finals, if that makes sense. Both of my classes had like 2 assignments that were my finals, so I got those done. I don't know how, but I got on my one class, my 2 finals, I got both hundreds on them. I'm so happy that I got that. I thank the Lord because I finished it like 3 in the morning, 3 or 4 in the morning, and I mean I was fine, but still I was like I feel like I'm gonna have a few points off, but since it's my final I wanted to do really good, and I actually prayed for the Lord to help me to get good grades, so he helped me. Thank you, Lord. Okay, so we got some more packing done. Actually, like besides maybe 2 pairs of shoes, I'm pretty much packed. I have all my outfits right now. I have on my airport outfit made by D, so I will show you guys the outfit tomorrow. Yeah, I bought a neck pillow because, if you know, I have neck issues. But anyways, I have my fanny pack all packed up. There's not much that goes into it. It's basically my wallet, and then my phone is going to be in there, my chargers, which is all going to be done tomorrow. But I think we're packed. I think we're ready to go. I just have to put in those shoes, as I mentioned, and then yeah, we're going. Stay tuned for the next video to see where we're going. Hi. Hey guys. We're at our first stop. First stop. I mean, we're not really stopping anywhere else, but anyways, we're at Bojangles for breakfast. They made one closer to our house, so now we can have it. So yeah, we're about to have breakfast. We made it to the airport. We just parked the car, and now we're gonna get our bags and go to the airport. Woo! Kiki's gone. She's leaving us. She's ready to go. We just made it inside. First time at this airport, and we're about to go into TSA, but the line is very long. So Mem's taking her last final question of my final. Yes. Ready and submit. She's submitting. Wait, submit it. And we're just gonna close and not even look at it. Yay! She finished her semester. Woo! Ooh, so great. Oh, you see? It's a new. Me and D made it to the, what is this called? Tunnel? Terminal?
It's like, what do they call it? Like ramp or something?
Ramp? I don't know. Whatever. You know, like the ramp tunnel thing you go to go to the plane.
I don't know.
We're in this. So we're sitting next to each other. Why can't I speak? Yeah, that's it. Okay. I'm so excited. Kiki and my parents are already on. I'll go to the bus. They're already on the plane. Okay. See you in the place we're going, because you don't know where we're gonna go until the next video. We made it on the plane. We got a window seat. So I'll see you guys when we land. Destination. Yeah, it was a good flight. We made it here pretty fast. Made it to our destination. It was a quick flight. There was rain, so we were flying in the rain. Bucket list item as of now. There was a little tiny turbulence, but flight was good. It was fast. It's currently raining here. Like, it's dark. It's like, what time is it? 5:05 p.m. So now we're gonna go get the rental car and head to our hotel. Can we tell them where we are?
Wait, no. We have to like wait.
Where?
Like in the place.
Okay. So you guys gotta wait until the next vlog. So thank you for watching this one.
It's like we just made it to.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. We just made it to.